Are you ready to take your shaving to the next level? Your chest, your back, your head, your entire body? Well, you're gonna be so glad that you came across my video today. Welcome to Sid's Tips, and thank you so much for stopping by to really learn about an amazing shaver by a company called OmniShaver. The owner of the company reached out to me and said, we have a new back shaver. Are you interested in trying it? And I said, absolutely. And I'll tell you what, this is a game changer, an amazing experience. I look forward to demonstrating it to you here in just a couple of minutes. Before I do, just want to share with you a few things. This is advertised as a back razor, but it really is for the entire body. Whether you want to do your chest, your stomach, your arms, your legs, your head, it's great. And they also have this shea butter, which is tea tree oil, shea butter, and aloe, and it is fantastic. You can get that as well. You can get a subscription. You can also replace the blades. This is a plastic handle. It provides flexibility where you can adjust it on angles, and then you've got this cover, and then there are the blades. And so the blades go in two directions, and it really is just an amazingly smooth shave. It is fantastic. So it's got when I demonstrate it to you, it will show you, I'll show you more the way the handle could be used, but let me share with you a couple things that I didn't share when I was using it, in that this does have that flexible angle, and the blades can shift side to side and up and down, which is great. So we're coming up to Father's Day. This is a great Father's Day gift. I mean, I love it. You can use it often. I don't feel irritated when I use it. I put on a slight little bit of aftershave and I am good to go. Really, it is a game changer. So I'll put a link in the description where you can get more information and order it, and also check out their other products as well. So they have several other products. And if you find this video of help, greatly appreciate a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber and would like to subscribe to my channel, click that subscribe button, and of course the bell icon if you want to be notified of new videos. And if you know anybody that shaves their body, please share this video with them about the product. It really is fantastic, and I so appreciate the company sending it to me. It is awesome. So here's my video demonstrating it to you. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. And to the company, thank you so much for sending it to me. It is definitely a 2 thumbs up. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I shave with my chest as well as my back. Now, I don't have a lot of hair on my back, but I'll show you the process of how to do it. Again, you want to make sure to get the shave butter, and it's really nice. And this system is truly amazing, the way it works. Now, when I'm going to normally do this, I'm going to do it in the shower. It's great. You got that hot water on you, but I have the hot water turned on. And what I'll do is just moisten this real quick, and then just kind of get my back a little damp back there, because that's where I have most of the hair, is up there. It's very fine hair, not a lot. And then what I do, so I dampen that a little bit, or I could take my hand if I could reach back there, and you want to just take a little bit and just put that on there. Maybe I could go a little bit more, and there you go. So then what you can do is get that back there. So you keep the cover on, get that back there, and then you take the cover off, and then the motion you do is just go up and down like this. And then that takes the hair right off, and it's so smooth. You just want to kind of go in a semi-fast motion, and just like that. And then you could use, if you have a mirror, you can use the mirror, and then just to see, and then you can also see if you've got an excess hair, and then you could rinse it off when you're done. Now, same thing for the chest. Now, here's what's nice for the chest. So one, you could just use it with the whole handle intact, or you could take the bigger part of the handle off, which you can adjust, and then you can do this with your chest. Or you could take it off completely and then just use this. And in this case, then you can just go like this on your chest. For those that want to do their hair, they can do that. So now I'm going to get my chest moist. So you can see I've got some chest hair. I want it to grow out. This has been about 2 weeks since I've last used this. And I'll tell you, this is a game changer. With Father's Day, this is the gift to get all the dads out there. No doubt. No doubt. So then you just put a little on. Give you an idea. And then you just go up and down like this. And the hair comes right off. And it's not irritant. You know, when I've used these other products, I start getting red marks all over my chest, and it's great. I mean, you barely even feel it. And then you can get refills for these blades when you need replacement. Now, I did ask the company how often or how long these should last. So it really depends on how much you use it and how much hair you have. So it's really hard to say. But look how smooth that is. I don't even feel any irritant. And there you go. That's as smooth as it gets. Again, dads will love this. I mean, what a great gift. And this will work again, not only on your back and your chest, your stomach, also for your head. And I love it. So there you go. This is a game changer. So go ahead, click on the link where you can get more information and order it. Great gift to the company. This is a game changer. Thank you for inventing this, and I am a happy camper.